Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Evadore token. Ticker symbol is EVA. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on the Evadore token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin. It's actually a coin. I was saying token earlier. It runs on its own blockchain, so technically this is a coin. You could find their Evachain online, which is basically their block explorer, EVA scan. You can find it at explorer.evadore.io. That's where you're going to find their block explorer. Now, this coin is being listed tomorrow, August 25th at 11 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search EVA, and then simply just buy the coin. It's that easy. So the cool thing though is they just announced, looks like 11 hours ago, that today is the 24th. Now, if you've already completed a KYC on Bitmart, you can fill out this form here. It says there's a 24-hour flash sale where you can get 20% off. So if you fill out this form and you're looking to get this token, you can get 20% off. It says for 24 hours, basically, probably until it gets listed, something like that. And yeah, so it's in their launchpad phase right now. And you can get a discount. If you go over to Bitmart, at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it, you can find the forum and the announcement and all that cool stuff. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this token, coin, whatever. I'm going to say token by accident 100 times. Just going to have to deal with it, but technically it's a coin. 149,000 Twitter followers, so they're doing very, very well here. So on their Twitter, as you can see there, they just joined in January too, and that's how many followers they got. They're followed by Bitmart, of course, and they have a full link tree that you can click on. It's going to take you to all the links where you can send an email to them. There's their website, there's their block explorer, full white paper. Their white paper is very extensive because, you know, it's a blockchain, and blockchain papers are always crazy long. There's Medium articles, GitHub, Eva Labs, Green Wallet, Evastore, Evapay, and just tons more links here. But basically, you know, every blockchain needs their own wallet. If you're going to use like a decentralized exchange, they're going to, you know, store the NFTs if they have NFTs, all these different things. So that's what all these links are for, is for things that you can use along with the blockchain. Now, if you go to their webpage, evadore.io, there's a little bit more concise information over there. So it says, eco-friendly, for the world, fast for everyone. Evadore is a regenerative finance, a refi project created to leave the world in the best way for future generations and to find solutions to environmental problems around the world. So renewable energy with green world. Carbon-free, blockchain-based Evadore is essential to protect the natural environment using renewable energy. We are here to create a green future and more sustainable lifestyles. So it says 1,073,000 total blocks, 14,976 wallet addresses, 78,601 total transactions, 5 seconds average block time. Join the growing ecosystem. We see the health of the world as the first point where creating a carbon-free blockchain should be evaluated differently from other blockchains. Evadore considers the most important points to be considered while going to a long-term green future and takes the necessary steps for you. Evadore ecosystem is leading the way in reducing emissions to zero and helping to achieve the goal of carbon-free world. So they have the Evachain, the Eva Labs, Eva Store, Eva Pay, Green Wallet, Eva Forest, and Carbon Eva. So I'm sure on their gigantic white paper, you could read in depth of each one of their utilities there, if you want to go over all of their apps and all that type of stuff. Think green. To understand the steps that balance the future of nature, we must act with green thinking. Evadore is a pioneer in carbon-free living. We are here to create a green future and more sustainable lifestyle. Evadore invites you to think green. So, I don't know if these are games or what, but there's 3 different play buttons you can click, or they're probably videos. You can watch videos on their page here. They're partners with CertiK, so most likely they have a CertiK audit or one in the works. The Boston Herald, Fox 40, StreetInsider.com. These look like news articles, like Yahoo Finance is on here. So they probably have a lot of crypto news articles that you could read about this token if you want to check those out online. At the very bottom of their page, they have links to all those utilities that I named, like if you want to try to download the wallet or all those things are on here. Their white paper, news articles, partnerships. Now, they also have a Telegram on here, contact email if you want to write them, info@evadore.io. Lots of Medium articles you could read. I mean, their Telegram here at Evadore.io on Telegram has 60,969 subscribers. Eco-friendly, for the world, fast, for everyone. So yes, this token just got the brand new central exchange listing on Bitmart. I mean, this project seems to be very popular. It's probably going to get a lot more central exchange listings in the future as well. But as of right now, I can see that it's available on Bitmart starting tomorrow, August 25th, 11 a.m. UTC time. And go check out Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange for that announcement where you can get 20% off up until the listing time there. But you'll have to already have a KYC, it says, on Bitmart. But otherwise, you can just go download Bitmart from the Google Play Store. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so one of you guys, let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this coin here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out my Facebook link if you want to help support the channel. You could support on Patreon or hit that join button. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.